All right, you guys. So I found these cookies at work, and they're Tate's Bake Shop, and it's actually a limited edition flavor, and it's called sea salt caramel chocolate chip. So we're going to taste these, and River is trying to help me taste test them. So let's see what we think of them. This is what they look like. They're supposed to be thin and crispy. River is so curious. She keeps wanting to get in the camera. I love chocolate and I love caramel sea salt. And they got a very good flavor. They're perfect for your tea and coffee.